Hey there, beautiful people. I am Chantel, and I am back with another
Alright,
video.
so I am back to show you how I prep my hair. So my hair is completely finished. Honestly, I finished my hair like 2 days ago. Alright, so what I've done so far is gone ahead and twist my hair. I have my hair in kinky twist, Marley twist, depending on wherever you're from, however you call it. But I use the Cuban twist hair, 16-inch, and this is the color OT27. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to dip my ends. So what I've done, because I want kind of a wavy look to it, I've gone ahead and put them in like these chunky twists. Okay, so just literally as if you were twisting your own hair, just take them and twist. And I twist all the way to the end to make sure I get a good finish on them. I thought about putting a little perm rod on it, but that was just too much. I couldn't be bothered. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it till the end. And I'm twisting it very tightly, you guys, because you don't want it to unwind. So grab all those little hairs that are at the end and just keep twisting. All right, so now that that's twisted up, I will be back once I dip them. All right, see y'all in a second. All right, so I'm back. My hair has been dipped, but once I take it out of the water, I like to let it sit for a few minutes. Of course, it's gonna be damp, but I like to kind of let it cool like you would a roller set or, you know, something like that when you come from up under the dryer. So I let it cool for a little bit, and now let's see what this is, because in theory, it should be cute. It should be cute. All right, so let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. I just wanted the slightest bit of a wave to it. Because I'm so used to when I do them, I just keep them straight. I mean, and it's fine because normally I just keep my hair in a bun anyway. But I just wanted something a little, you know, a little cute, a little stylish, a little something, a little effortless, a little boho-esque. I'm gonna look in this mirror real quick. Yeah, I like that. Can y'all see? That's cute, right? Yes. I love it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned for the next one, all right? Because I will just kind of be styling my kinky twist. I will show you all how I do my signature bun, which is how I love to wear it. So yeah, just stay tuned. I appreciate you all so much for watching. I am Chantel, and I will see you all next time. Bye. I love it. Love it, love it. It's cute, right? Right? I usually do them smaller, like really small, and it takes me like 2 days to do, but I just wanted a break from my hair, and I didn't want to take all day to get my hands out of my hair. You know what I mean? So I decided to do them like a medium, and this may be my new thing. I'll do like small, you know, from time to time, but this literally took me maybe 6 hours. Maybe 6 hours, and that's I'll take that over 2 days. I'm just happy that I don't have to do my hair. All right, so I just want to show you guys how I wear my hair at night, or if I'm getting ready to get in the shower, or if I'm just chilling. So what I use is one of these little, oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's like a velvet scrunchie, and y'all, I got this thing from the Dollar Tree. If they would have had more, I would have gotten more. But they feel so good. I use this on my natural hair as well when I get ready to pineapple. So I put this on my hair first, and then I would tie my scarf on my natural hair, and then I would pull the little scrunchie off just to get my hair up, you know, high. But yeah, so let's see, how am I gonna show y'all this? So what I'll do is I'll take this scrunchie, bring all of my hair forward, like I'm getting ready to do a high bun or something. And then I just bring it around and loop it. Boom, just like that. And it holds it perfect. And I will pull my hairline twist out because you don't want any tension. Although I twist my hair, you know, it's a good tension on it, but it's nothing too tight. I'm able to move it around with no problem. Okay, so then once I have it up, then I take my scarf. It's a satin one. I got this thing from Walmart. It might have been $5 maybe. And I just start at the back. Bring it forward. Crisscross it around. And then tie a knot in the back. And boom, like you could sleep. You know, your hair is good, your edges are protected. Okay, so when I'm getting ready to get in the shower, here's what I'll do. So my hair will be like this or in a bun. And then I take my shower cap. And this is a shower cap, you guys. Or you can use a grocery bag, whatever floats your boat. But these are actual XXL shower caps. So if you have a lot of hair, or if you have locks, or a protective style like this. So anyways, you just take it. And girl, these are perfect. I wear these on my natural hair before I get in the shower. You know what I mean? It keeps all of your hair in there. Like, y'all see that? Like, these are amazing. I don't know who had the bright idea to do this, but thank you. Thank you very much. But yeah, then I would shower. I won't have to worry about my hair getting wet, and we're good. Like, these things are awesome. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, let me know, because I tried to think of as much as I could. But yeah, I think that's it. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all next time. Bye. For real this time. Bye.